Welcome students in science class chapter 2 food and health. In that topic a balanced diet, already in form 4 you had studied balanced diet, so it will become very easier to understand. But before starting, let me give you 3-4 lines about two friends. Two friends were there, Rima and Shima. Rima gets tired after playing for a little while. She gets frequent calls. She does not eat properly, while Seema can play for many hours without feeling tired. She rarely falls ill. She has balanced, healthy meals. So, we should be like Seema. We must eat wholesome food to keep healthy. Side by side, we must keep our surroundings clean. Our house must have trees around it. We must drink clean water. We must exercise regularly. We must rest properly. Thus, to stay healthy, our body needs balanced diet, regular exercise, enough rest, and protection from the disease. So in that first topic, balanced diet, already you had studied as I told you earlier. So what is diet? First, that a diet is all that we consume in a day, whatever in whole day, whatever we are eating, it is known as the diet. And what is balanced diet? Balanced diet is a diet that contains an adequate quantity of nutrients that we require in a day. Balanced diet means in that all that nutrients already you have studied. And what are the main nutrients? That are the carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage, water. All this will come in that main nutrients. So if daily in your daily food, if you are taking all these nutrients, then it is known as the balanced diet. Now students, one by one we will see all that nutrients, their functions and their sources. So first one, importance of the balanced diet. Why we need this balanced diet? Why simple diet is not necessary? No. It should contain all the nutrients. Why? Because it leads to a good physical and good mental health. It helps in the proper growth of the body. It increases the capacity to work. Otherwise, you will become like Rima. It increases the ability to fight or resist against the disease. So for this purpose, balanced diet is important. So first nutrient, that is the carbohydrates. What are the functions? It gives us energy to work and play whole day. Whatever work at the school, at your home, in playground, whatever work you are doing, whatever playing games you are playing, in that energy is needed, and it is provided by carbohydrates. And what are the sources? Sources means from where you will get this carbohydrates. From cereals, rice, wheat, bread, pulses, sweet potato, etc. Second nutrients, fats. They gives us more energy than the carbohydrates. They are also energy giving nutrients, but they give you little more energy than carbohydrates. And what are the sources from where you will get this fats? Such as butter, fatty foods such as butter, ghee, oil, cheese, etc. You all of you like cheese, no? So in that lots of fats are there. But overeating of cheese will make you a fat girl. Yes. Next one, proteins. Function of the proteins helps us to grow. Whatever the growth of your body is there, it depends on proteins. And the wear and the tear of the body, whatever that repairing work of your body is needed, it is done by that proteins. It helps in building the muscles. And what are the sources from where you will get these proteins? From all the dairy products: milk, eggs, meat, chicken, etc. Next nutrient, that is the vitamins. And what is the function of vitamins? It keeps our body fit and fine. It improves the appetite. Some of them are having that frequent that stomach ache, the diarrhea. So if in your food that vitamins are in good amount, then it will improve your appetite, increases the body's resistance to fight against the disease. And what are the sources? The sources are the fresh fruits and vegetables. Next nutrient you should take in your food, it is minerals. It also helps in the growth and the development of the body. What are the sources? The sources are the fresh fruits and vegetables. Roughage are the dietary fibers. They does not provide any nutrients to our body, but it is very important, very essential components of our food. Helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Already in the form 4 you had studied. Sources are fruits and vegetables. Next one, that is the water. Water is a very important component. It is not the main nutrient of your food, but it is very important. It helps our body to absorb the nutrients from the food. So, students, you got the idea that these are the main nutrients in your food daily you should consume. Then you will be fit and fine. You will be like Seema. You won't get tired, and really you will fall ill. You will be healthy. You will be fit and fine. Thank you, students.